Hello there and welcome to this new video where I am showing you the 25 different tips and tricks that I have written that is related to finding the missing values within the Python or using the Pandas or in some cases even the NumPy. So these are some of the tips and tricks which I have created based on the problems that I'm facing. Sometimes I was able to create it, sometimes I had to Google it and then tweak it based on the scenario that I was having. So what I felt is that these type of scenario will be very common to also, why not document it? So based on the different scripts that I created, I have combined all of those. I just took out these different tips and tricks and created this one single document so that I can create some value for you. You can use it then as a handbook whenever you are into running into an issue which is related to finding missing values. You can look all of these different 25, though the count says 21, but in certain cases there are versions like 6.1, 9.1. So overall these are 25 different techniques, and maybe in the future I can add more onto this based on whenever I face any situation and find out a solution to that. So overall, the idea is that you find all of these different scenarios at one single place so that you can practice that, you can utilize that, and you can keep it something like as a handbook. So whenever you run into any of this issue, you know what to do and the code is in front of you as to how to do it. I have used sales.xls file which has only the one column as a missing value, but not to worry. You can use any file. I mean, if you have XLS file or if you have CSV file or you are fetching the data from database, all these functions which I have written will work fine with the data set that you are running, because ultimately it will be a Pandas object mostly. And in certain cases, I have even shown you how you can utilize the NumPy related functions, which is also helpful or also has some related functions and methods that is helpful to find the null values. So I hope after reading this entire document, most of your null values related problems where you need to find the null values in your data set will be resolved. As you can see, you have almost every scenario covered, but I will not say 100% because you never know, there is an altogether new scenario which you may come across. But if that's the case and you find a solution, write it. Even if you don't find a solution, let us know in the comments. Hopefully together we as a community may try to resolve that. So that's about it. I hope you will utilize it. The link is present in the description for this book, and you can go ahead and buy it at a very nominal cost that I have put it out there just so that you can get it, and I can help you with all your missing values related problems. So that's about it, and I'll meet you in the new video with the new topic.